Yo, what's up? My name is... Alright. Yo, what's up? Welcome to Cook and Be Cooked. My name is Charles, and today we're gonna make classic cheeseburgers. True. Anyway, so we're just gonna show you how to make these burgers real quick. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll out the patties, nice 4-ounce patties for our buns. Always have your buns ready. I like mine buttered because, I like them thick. Sorry. So we're just gonna prep the patties. We're gonna butter our buns. We're gonna fry them up in the pan, and we're gonna put some cheese on it, and then we're just gonna make some special sauce. It's not really special, but you get it. Can't have a burger without some sauce, right? Right? Yeah. So anyway, but yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So that's it. So now we just need these ingredients. Sorry, my OCD. So all we just need, like I said, we just need some ground beef, some buns. These are potato buns. We went with whole wheat because, why not? We got some extra sharp cheddar cheese here. If you can put whatever cheese you want on your burger. Today we just went with cheddar because, always gotta have your cheddar, you feel me? And then we're just gonna have some sauce, which involves ketchup and mayonnaise. Pretty simple, right? And then if you want to put any vegetables in your ground beef, you can. Today we're just gonna go with some dry mini portobello mushrooms. And then all you just need is some butter. That's it.
You want to mention our special guest?
Oh, true. All right, so today we have a special guest. It's my homegirl's birthday, the Lit Queen. Welcome, what's good? She's behind the scenes. She's gonna film today. That's gonna be good. I hope these burgers come out good. I hope I can make your birthday special.
Can't wait.
Sure. All right.
You want to use a scale? Hey, Charles, do you need a scale for the meat?
I should probably use the scale, right? Like, among other things. What else do we use the scale for?
Gee, I wonder.
Damn, just rolling out my meat, playing with the meat. Don't overplay with your meat. It's not nice. In the long run, it's not pretty. There's no cool way of doing this. That's 4.3.
Cool.
Yeah, that's good. Damn, this is gonna be a small ass patty. Well, we have small ass buns.
Yo, Charles, tell me, what's your favorite fast food burger?
So they used to have this thing at Burger King called the Stacker, and it was called the Double Stacker for a while. But my stoned ass would always go and order the Quad Stacker. And I remember this one time, I was like, "Hey, can I get a Quad Stacker? Can I get 2 Quad Stackers?" And the cook in the back, I remember like this vaguely. He was just like, he looked like, "Who the fuck ordered that?" Like, and he's looking at my brown ass like, "Yup, that's me."
Have you ever had an In-N-Out?
I have not actually. I'm an East Coast guy. There's no In-N-Out on the East Coast.
I love In-N-Out.
I never put mushrooms in my patty. This is a first for me.
Really?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Okay. Alright, so once we got our patties formed out, I'm just gonna place a little divot in the center so I can cook evenly. When you cook meat, it tends to shrink because of all that heat. All the juices are sinking back inside the meat. So we're just gonna make these. It's gonna be real easy. Alright, so I'm just gonna get out my stove. I need some heat, I need some fire, and yeah, boy.
What's next? You gonna cook now?
Yep, we're gonna season these, and then we're gonna cook. Make sure you season very liberally. The fat will cook all that stuff really nicely as well. Some fresh cracked black pepper. And then I like to put a little garlic powder on it. I like garlic. I don't like raw chunks of garlic, but that hit was no joke, son. But it's all good. Dude, that shit is amazing. No, I don't know. Filming in front of a camera is weird because I've never shown off my cooking, but I'm here to spread the word, spread the good vibes, smoke some good weed with your friends. Get some good food. You know, all that good stuff. Yeah. So look, I have no oil in the pan, but look how much fat rendered out. And you can see it on the sides when they're ready to turn. They'll turn a little brown. Oh man. Dude, look at that. So now that we flipped them, we're just gonna cook them for 6 minutes now on each side. At the halfway point, if you want to add your specifically desired cheese. Making my burgers.
You've never had White Castle?
So we're about 3 minutes in on the other side. I'm just gonna put 2 slices of extra sharp cheddar. And then we're just gonna let that sit for the rest of the duration of the cooking. Alright, so those are gonna go for another minute and a half. We're just gonna make our sauce real quick. It's 1 part ketchup, 1 part mayonnaise. This is about a tablespoon of ketchup. We're just gonna put that into another bowl here. And then we're just gonna take the same thing with our mayonnaise. We're just gonna pour that in there. You can put whatever sauce you like, but today we're just gonna go with ketchup and mayonnaise because whatever, that's what we got right now. You can put sriracha, you can put Cholula, you can put some Tabasco, you can put whatever you want, bro. The options are endless. Especially when you're on cloud 9, like I am. Sure. So now we're about like 6 minutes in on the other side, so I'm just gonna take out the burgers. And I'm just gonna let them rest for about like 5 minutes. It's gonna be fucking delicious. Alright, so I'm just gonna put some butter in here. So we don't need a lot of butter. Now I'm just gonna post our buns down. And just keep an eye on those for a bit. Just toasting our buns. Like toasted buns? I like toasted buns, if I haven't said so already. Yeah, doing this when I'm clapped is ridiculous. Like, that's the point of the video, right? It's the point of the video. No. Not bad at all. Come on, bro. It's plating time. So now we got our buns out. I'm just gonna put some sauce on the bottom here. Yeah. Be generous. Be generous. Sweet. Alright, so I'm just gonna take one right here. Right there. So at this point, you can put whatever you want on your burgers. It's really up to you. I'm not a tomato guy, so I didn't put any tomatoes. So I'm just gonna put some lettuce on mine. I have some iceberg lettuce on mine. I'm just gonna put a generous amount on all of them. I also like bacon on mine, so you can put whatever you want on it. So let's see here. You guys want bacon on yours?
Not an option.
True. Yeah, why would I? Stupid question. Sorry, guys. Stupid question. Chia. Schlit.
It's okay. It's okay.
And then I'm just gonna. Dude. Everybody likes fries. I love fries. I can't do it, son. Go. Yo, I had to really think about it. And there you have it. My own version of a classic ham cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Let's see how they taste.
Take a bite.
True. Yo, happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Dude, look at that.
Describe it to me.
You get that really nice crunch from the bacon. And the bread is so perfect. It's catching all the juice.
It just took me on a whole other level right now.
Oh.
Mayra, out of 10, what do you think?
I gave it a solid 10.
Take it with you. Take it away.
Oh, my fault.
So yeah, we made our cheeseburgers. Thanks for watching Cook and Be Cooked. My name is Charles. Have a great one. Till next time. Oh, I need some H2O.